Hi friends! Today we are learning how to make a resume fast and easy. Now let's go. First, we will open Chrome, and then we will search for Resume Ground. It will take a little loading, then we will click on Create. On clicking Create Now, sometimes an ad appears here. Okay, now after adding, the page will open. Okay, after that, some interface like this will appear. Okay, then fill in whatever details are asked, like personal details, photo, hobbies, categories, etc. After that, click on Create Resume. Then the resume will be created. If you like this video now, hit the subscribe button and turn bell icon.